we'll say 40 miles on that track. So I mean, it'll take a while to get there. Obviously, Florence, within the next 10 minutes, we'll look at the 3, so a really 5. Again, it's really quick shift. We'll perhaps slice into this, because especially in these sort of situations, that's one of the best ways for us to get a really good look at it here to get the exact height. As we slide that kind of through there, you can see the heaviest precipitation up around, we'll say 25,000 feet, perhaps there in some spots over the Layton area, and then if we kind of follow that back northwestward closer there to say right over 43, and even that's only about 15, 20,000 feet. Not a super strong thunderstorm, but it could potentially have maybe a couple of stronger wind gusts with it. So this would not by any stretch of the imagination qualify as a high-end severe thunderstorm warning. We'll look at this a couple different ways. One way to do that is using the wind mode. This out of Monroe County. I'm gonna actually see if the Birmingham radar has a slightly better angle, and I'm not sure that it necessarily will. Looking at the wind mode, no, it does not. We're looking a little too high for that. So we'll bring it back to Columbus. Technically, we call it the Columbus radar, but it's Monroe County radar on that. So severe thunderstorm warning there for Franklin County in effect until 6:30. That's sliding southward. I'll give you a visual on this. Probably the best way to do that is from the Fulton area. Our camera down in Fulton does have a shot kind of into this. And while I'm on this, you might see if you can move Smithville around to the north. Actually, you're not going to be able to do that on that computer there. That is a workflow thing that I'm gonna have to think about. But we're looking from Fulton way back to the north and west toward those thunderstorms there that have popped up. So a long time before that got to Fulton, and really the warning of more significance is that excessive heat warning or extreme heat warning that we do have in place there for the Fulton area. And that's a lot of other locations that are under that at this time. So anyway, we'll go ahead and send you back, I think, to the regular feed, and we will be up to date with everything we're going to be talking about here coming up at 6 o'clock for Mississippi.
But we needed to take shelter, and we didn't have